David, I'd love to hear your opinion on what you feel is the most critical aspect of a robust cybersecurity strategy for almost any organization.
I think it has to be a mindset change, and I think we're getting there. And when I say mindset, definitely uh, uh, for two things, making it a mindset change in terms of people have to understand that cybersecurity is not just some one-off uh, offshoot function of the IT department. It needs to be recognized as a business function coming from the C-suite, coming out of the C-suite, and someone at the C-suite level needs to take full responsibility for it. There's arguments going on now about CISOs and why CISOs have to report to COOs and they need to have more stature in the C-suite. And I'll hardly agree with that if that's your company structure. Somebody needs to take full responsibility of a cybersecurity program and give that program some teeth, meaning that, we change the mindset of that it's a business function and meaning that when it comes to budget talks, we put money behind where our mouth is, because, you know, somebody needs to do an assessment in terms of what is the return on investment and what do we have to lose, reputation, revenues, and things of that nature, by not having a strategy and by not thinking of cybersecurity as a business function and not just some line item in the budget or part of IT.